Hi guys, I'm Josie. Welcome to my channel.
Uh, uh, uh.
Today I am coming to you guys with a wig review slash install tutorial. Yeah, whatever you want to call it. So I'm starting out with not so freshly braided hair, but I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my scalp and add some oil to that. And since I am gluing down this wig, I am making sure to clean my forehead. I had put on some makeup earlier, so I wanted to take all of that off. And next I'm going in with some got to be glue on my hair so that I can lay all of my flyaway baby hairs to the back. I don't want to get any glue on my hair, so I'm making sure to push all my hair from my hairline to the back. And so now that that's dried, I'm going in with some alcohol around the perimeter of my forehead to clean it off, to finish cleaning it off, because you need a clean canvas for your glue. And that is some Ghost Bond. It is my first time trying Ghost Bond. I bought the wig and the Ghost Bond from the same company. I will make sure to leave all the links below. And yes, I am applying a layer of glue, then drying that up, then applying some more glue, and you get the idea. This was the wig that I wore for my birthday weekend, and I wanted my hair to be laid. Usually I don't glue down my wigs at all, but I did not want to be bothered for the entire weekend because I had plans. So yes, here I am going with that third and last round of glue, because I honestly, like I'm saying, I did not want to be bothered. I wanted that wig to be laid and slayed. And this is the wig. She is from Bobbi Boss, and her name is Jalanda. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and she does have adjustable straps. She is a 13 by 4 hand-tied Swiss lace wig. The box says that she has ear-to-ear, natural hairline, free parting, and I must agree that yes, it is a very natural hairline. I had applied some powder when I first bought the wig, but other than that, I did no plucking, nothing. I just put her on. And so I'm tying it down because I want that glue to dry. And I left it on for almost like 15 to 20 minutes. And I came back to cut some baby hair. She did come with a few, but I needed a few more. And now listen guys, I am not good with baby hairs. I've said it before, I will say it again. Baby hairs are not my forte. It's really not my strength at all. I usually prefer lace fronts instead of the frontal, because with the frontal you have all that lace up there and you have to work with it. So yes, this is not an everyday occurrence. This is for special occasion. And then I went in with a knee-high stocking, which is actually one of my secrets. I use that to secure like the baby hairs and to get everything in place. I feel like it works better than my scarf. So that's a tip for me to you. Use one of those like knee-high stockings instead of the scarves to lay those baby hairs. And this is the final look. As I said guys, this is my birthday look. That's why you see me rocking that crown. I really like this wig. I kept her on for almost a week, but I'll probably get like another use out of her. And yeah guys, this was one of the hairstyles I achieved with her as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.